Imagine that one day while working, the chocolate in your pocket melts, and this leads to the birth of a new technology. This is exactly how the story of the microwave oven began. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar equipment when he noticed that the chocolate in his pocket was melting. This strange phenomenon caught his attention and prompted him to start a series of experiments. Spencer thought it was the effect of microwaves used in radar systems. He then placed kernels of corn in front of the microwaves and saw that they instantly turned into popcorn. These simple experiments formed the basis of the microwave oven. Interestingly, this invention was originally conceived as an industrial device, not a kitchen product, but over time it has become indispensable in our homes.